It's so nice to feel close to your partner, but it's not always easy. Let's explore in this video how to find closeness with your partner and how to keep it. Hey Sheya, how are you today? I'm alright, I guess. What's wrong? Last night I asked my boyfriend to go out with me to dinner. And he said yes. Okay. So we went out last night and found this wonderful restaurant with really good food. And everything was perfect, except we didn't talk to each other. What do you mean you didn't talk to each other? We were on our phones, quiet, distant. We didn't talk, okay? And the scary part was that it felt normal. We are just not close as we used to be, okay? Is there a way back? Can we still feel close to each other? Or it's too late for us and it will be like that from now on? There is hope for you too, guys. You can still feel close to each other if you want to. It's never too late. But how? We barely talk to each other. And if we do, we only talk about everyday things, like what happened at work, what we will have for dinner. Small talk, nothing deep. If you want to feel close to someone, you have to open up to them, okay? You have to let your guard down and be vulnerable. I have to let my guard down? What do you mean? You have to be sincere and show your true self to him. You have to be honest. You can, for example, start an honest conversation about how you feel, about your disconnection with him. You can tell him that you want to feel close to him. Don't be afraid to show him who you truly are and how you truly feel. Okay, I don't know if I can do that. Why not? Are you afraid to be honest with him? I'm not afraid. Okay, I feel uncomfortable talking about how I sincerely feel. Why? Because I don't know how he will react. What if I just imagine that we have a problem? Sometimes he says that I overcomplicate things. Okay, darling, do you feel close to him? No? So you have a problem. You don't just imagine it. Don't doubt yourself. Oh, why is so hard to be honest and open? Because you are insecure. When you are truly sincere with your partner, you feel vulnerable, yes? Yes. You risk being criticized and rejected, and that is scary. So to avoid that, you take the easy path. You hide. You don't talk. It's easier to not talk to each other than to start a sincere conversation that may be difficult, like expressing your true feelings. Because what if he doesn't agree with me? What if he thinks that I overcomplicate things? What if he thinks that I'm stupid? What if he doesn't like me anymore? What if he leaves me? So it's better to not talk and avoid the pain. The problem with that is when you avoid difficult, embarrassing, sincere conversations, you close up and get distant. Yes, that's true. So to feel close to each other, you have to be sincere and open in conversations. Yeah, and start talking about all the unspoken difficult things you have between you two. And there is no other way than to risk embarrassment and rejection. Oh my God, that's not fun. Is it fun to feel distant from your partner? No. So? But if you get brave and you start talking about the difficult things, you have a better chance that he will open up to you too. Usually when I open up to my partner, Mattia, he opens up too. It works like magic. And that is when we feel closest to each other. So darling, go in there, talk to him, and feel closeness to your partner again. Okay, my dear friends, today it was short video, but I hope you found something useful and interesting for yourself. If you like that kind of videos about relationships, you can find them more on my YouTube channel. Check it out if you want, it's free. And one more thing, if you have a personal question, a problem in your relationships that you would like to solve, that you would like to gain clarity on, from now on you can book a one-on-one conversation with me. A conversation like I have with Sheya in the videos, but specific to your problem and to your life situation. I will leave the link to the booking site in the description below. Okay, my friends, have a great day and see you next Saturday. Ciao.